Hello guys, this is a 360-degree video. Make sure you watch it with the YouTube app. And the clips is about me riding along the seashore in the northern part of Philippines. Keep watching, you're gonna see me crossing the famous bridge, which is called 𝘍𝙬𝘍. And you also will see some chicken and some goats that almost killed me. Here's the chicken, do you see them? Here's the 𝘍𝙬𝘍 Bridge, where the river enters the sea. Somebody's taking picture of me. Here's the goat. Thanks for not killing me. I feel like I need a break. They call it Yoshi break or smoking break. And this is a very beautiful view, so a good spot. Why not? Just when I was about to light up the cigarette, I saw something, so I quickly released my 360 camera. Check it out. After resting here for almost 20 to 30 minutes, I see the clouds is getting darker. Maybe it's gonna rain, so I better go.